Since it is definitely not hot outside where I am, I thought I'd start with some blisteringly hot off the press space news. By now, many of you have come across this from one news source or another. One evening last July, Joe Valedum and his partner Laura Kelly of Prince Edward Island returned home from walking their dogs when they found their brick walkway splotched with dusty debris in a star-shaped pattern. A rare recording captured on their doorbell camera showed a fast-moving space rock hurtling out of nowhere and smashing into the ground with a loud crash and an explosive burst of gray dust. Here is a still from the video showing the impact and dust spreading. What makes this news even more amazing is this is the first ever sight and sound recording of a meteorite landing or rather crashing onto Earth. Yay, Canada! Out of the estimated 40,000 kilograms of space rocks and stuff that enter Earth's atmosphere every day, Gonzalo Tancredi, an astronomer at the University of the Republic in Montevideo, Uruguay, estimates that there are probably about 6,100 meteorite falls per year over the entire Earth, and about 1,800 of those are over land. Although AI couldn't do the odds of a doorbell camera capturing this event for me, it did say it was a rare occurrence. Since the probability of winning the 649 lotto is 1 in 13,983,816,000, perhaps buying a ticket instead of a doorbell camera is the luckier choice. And here is the sound of the meteorite hitting the Earth. Also in the news is our latest comet, ATLAS C 2024 G3, is now becoming a headless ghost. These amazing photos captured on January 18th, 19th, and 20th in Chile by Lionel Majdic show the disintegration of the comet. You can see how quickly the comet's head changed over just 3 nights, starting sharp and bright and then becoming more diffuse. The bright streak is a synchrone and consists of dust particles released at the time the nucleus fragmented. Larger, heavier particles reside near the nucleus, while smaller ones are pushed tailward by solar radiation pressure, creating the streak. Now, a January 14th before picture and a during and after composite. Opposition meets occultation in this composite image of Mars passing behind the Moon, captured from the Observatory del Teide in Tenerife, Spain, on January 14th. The Moon's occultation of Mars was particularly spectacular because Mars was nearly at opposition, on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun, and near the closest it comes to Earth, making the planet shine especially bright. One of our club members, Kurt Nason, did catch the occultation in spite of a cloudy sky, which brings his moon-planet occultation to 5. And fun fact, it is not uncommon to see the moon occult appear to pass in front of a planet. What is truly rare is a planet occulting another planet because planets appear so small from Earth's perspective. The last time this happened, it was in 1818, and it won't happen again until 2065, when Venus occults Jupiter. Since planetary conjunctions are more common, tracking those might be a more obtainable goal. Does anyone remember Radiolab's call out to the public to name Earth's quasi-moon? On January 13th, the International Astronomical Union announced that Cardea was the chosen name for Earth's quasi-moon, named after the Roman goddess of doorways and transitions, according to the Planetary Society. The name Cardea seems to be a bit open to interpretation, as one article I read stated rather specifically that Cardea was the goddess of door hinges. I think I'll go with doorways and transitions, as that sounds a little bit more exciting than a door hinge.